Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge row in Excel without losing data. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to merge row in Excel without losing data. At first, select a row. Now I am select this row. Then go to the home menu. Select the merge and center option. Then we can see we merge the row easily. You can write anything. Now we can see we merge row in Excel without losing data easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.